Morning guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. How's my brother, how are you? Good to hear it, good to hear it, good to hear it. Hey Zeus, what's happening, bro? Nah, you're gonna get it, you're gonna get it. I already saw your analysis this morning, it really looked good. The one you sent me yesterday. For sure, for sure. Send it through to me, send it through to me. Let's check it out. You can throw it on Telegram as well. YouTube, what's happening? What's up, guys? Mark, good morning. Chad, good morning. Diego, good morning. How's everybody doing on this fine Thursday? Oh, let me see that browser source up and then we can start. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Okay, that's done. Perfect, guys, let's get straight into it. Let's just jump to that weekly once again. Guys, it's a big day today. From today onwards, it's big player day. Got CPI today and PPI tomorrow. We are going to see volume within those two news releases. So that is something that is quite highly anticipated. MFX members, here's your insight for today's CPI. Okay, I just popped it into Zoom. That's a plan for today's CPI. At 2:30 today. It is 2:30, right? Yeah, CPI today, core CPI, CPI unemployment claims, 2:30. That is the plan that I sent you guys. They'll obviously pop it into MFX and we'll obviously trade CPI today at 2:30. It's going to be a good one. It's going to be exciting. Let's get straight into the charts. Not to phase that weekly because we've been speaking about it the whole week. Still hasn't created that top wick. Now looking at the daily, first and foremost, as we are within this daily liquidity area, the first thing I'm going to do, because it's the first thing that we're obviously noticing, is that there's no bottom wick on today's candle. More than likely it's going to make that bottom wick. So let's see how we can use that to our advantage today. Okay, so first and foremost, going to plot in that current daily low. Then I'm going to go ahead and mark out yesterday's previous daily high. Okay. So where we are right now is at the QP level 2375. You can obviously see there is a strong resistance at this point, and that is why we've obviously had that weekly closure last week and immediately started to recheck off of that closing with that Maribozu within that liquidity level, creating no topic on the following candle, and that is obviously a sign of reversal for me. popping down to that 4 hour, I'm going to mark in my liquidity zones, as we are still within that same range as yesterday. We didn't really get much movement after London yesterday, actually. Let me see. Yeah, that 4 hour is still the same. Bullish. 30 minute. 30 minute has it closed above the level. 30 minute has closed above the level. 30 minute is 30 minutes bullish. Let me show you why. So over here we've got that high right there. Price then makes its low and drives and closes above the level. Then pulls all the way back down, right? Closes beneath the level. Where's my 2 candlestick pullback? It's still gonna be there. You with me? So technically we're bearish still. Okay. So that is something that I'm gonna need to note. So if I look at that time frame buy, it's still the same as yesterday. So let's go ahead and mark out that 4 hour levels quickly. Nice and sunny day. Not really where I am, but I can't remember where you said you were from, Diego. Okay, so these are my 4 hour zones right there for now. I think I'm just gonna leave it like that, to be honest with you. I think I'll just add in this one here. So you see how we've tested this level before there? So it's tested there, there, multiple times over there. More than likely we're going to see reaction at this exact same level. So let's slot that in as well. Morning Delano, hope you're doing lacquer. Cape Town, bro, isn't it like storming in Cape Town or something? Or no, isn't it? I saw it was like snowing in some parts of Cape Town. Okay, I'm gonna pull that like that. Then I'll leave like that. This I'm gonna start tweaking to that level right there. Okay, this is how I have to play gold today. Let me just give you guys the confluences from the higher time frame. Okay, so where gold is right now, I can clearly see that it is in a little range right there. As you can see over there, gold is in a range. However, where we are ranging, I'm not gonna lie, I don't really want to trade it until it breaks beneath 23.75 or long above previous daily high. The reason for me personally is because I'm so close to this major 4 hourly area, which is also going to be at that QP, and the only confirmation that I'm going to get with the 30-minute structure that is bearish, is going to be closure beneath or trading beneath the previous 4 hourly candle. So where price is right now, there is no setup for me. Okay, so where price is over here, we can obviously see that, you know what, we've tapped into a liquidity level, we've rejected it before, we're doing the same thing now. More than likely price can pull down to this area here. However, that's not really enough for me to execute on a position as of yet. I would have liked to see some trades below there, but this area for me is just a bit too choppy, hey? Yeah, it's not really what I want this morning. So this is going to be the play for me. Previous daily highs, break of their highs, that will going to initiate some long opportunities over there. This I need more data. Right now where price is, I need more data. And then over here we've got an aggressive short area. Okay, and then here obviously continuation, aggressive shorts. Aggressive because it is a bit choppy. So this I'm not going to deem as a no trade range yet. I just need more candlesticks to provide with more data. So at the moment the confluences for shorts will be something like this, where price is trading with no bottom wick at the moment. This will be your idea that it will come to form that. So once price starts closing beneath a QP, that will be your anticipation that the daily resistance where we are at right now is going to reject and go and create this bottom wick. The 4 hour as well is within range, as you can see. So when you take it, you want to take it beneath the previous 4 hourly low in anticipation it will continue driving down. And this was also just price grabbing liquidity on the 4 hour. On the hourly, you'll get your confluence after you get out of closure. Nothing now. And then the 30 minutes is going to be just trading beneath this current quarter pip. I am actually looking for an earlier type 3 beneath this level. It's just that the zone here is relatively small. I mean, that's as tight as I can tweak it. And then I can slot in another area here. You see, I'm holding it like that because that's going to be that zone there. So the idea would be that once price starts to close beneath here, we can look for earlier shorts based off the idea that you are forming resistance. Same area there, same area there. You know, it's been a strong liquidity area prior, so the chance of it having that same reaction is quite large. You can see over here, that same area. So that would be the idea for a slightly aggressive earlier entry. Personally though, I just prefer price to get beneath QP and then I take it, and all I'm doing is going to be trading that high to that low. And essentially what that is price grabbing the volume up here to come down and flip that current daily low bearish. Okay, so that's what I'm actually keen on now. So I'm gonna drag this a bit higher. Got aggressive sells there and aggressive sells there. This is going to be how I can get into the market slightly earlier, depending on the candlestick formation, and also depending on how near that resistance will be, because I need some sort of resistance to form at this point there. Once again, start closing beneath and start driving down, you've got that resistance area there in anticipation that price will then drive down to that quarter pip level. Okay, so let's see if we can get that closure beneath this area and look for those aggressive early shorts. And the idea is stemming off the plan that you're going to come back and retest to get that liquidity that you need, which is then the current daily low, the bottom wick. We don't have that yet. So this is going to be the plan this morning. Equal high, coming down to the bottom of the range, and then to get into that little micro range area as I've mentioned on that lower time frame. As you can see over here, that will be the plan for me. So all I'm looking for right now is gold shorts. The only time I want to buy is up there, boys. I'm not looking for any sort of buys right now. I'm looking to short this pair. However, I need that confirmation, man. And that confirmation is going to be closure beneath this level here. Okay, 15-minute closure now before London open. No topic on the current candle. Oh. This is something I'm going to have to be patient with. Oh, sneezels today. So yeah, I'm going to have to be patient with this, wait for more confirmations, and then get involved. That early entry can happen there for sure. But where prices are right now, I don't have the want to get into any positions. We're just going to have to be patient. At the moment, this will be a no trade area for now. Until we get more data, this is going to be my no trade area right there. Aggressive shorts beneath the low, also aggressive shorts beneath a QP, even though it's the more favored one. And then up here I've got aggressive buys up there. Hoping to see some volume before CPI today, so let's see how that goes. However, the plan is straightforward. We know what we want to do, and yeah, it's relatively straightforward, guys. It's nothing too crazy. It's just the only thing that obviously we are seeing a bit of a choppy market, but that is fine. Okay, put a 1 in the chat if you understand. Any questions, do let me know. We also need to start forming a bit of a support there before I really want to get in, you know. Anybody taking the trades this morning so far? Let's put that there, good. You take positions? How was it? Nice, nice. How much pips do you get?
78.
78 pips. My guy, you're killing it. What did you do? Where did you take? Who did you? What did you do? Who, where, how, and where?
Open last night. On an open last.
While you're at work.
Stop. Huh?
While you're at work.
That's why I went to bed.
Okay. And you wrote this up.
And 100 pips. I set it for 100 pips, but when I woke up at 4, I put 178.
Bro, that's that's a lot of pips, my dude. That's a well done that one. That's a well done that one.
Nah, I did the analysis before I went to sleep, and I was like, okay. The volume coming through.
A bit of a swing trade, you say?
It was just a 4 hour.
Jesus, I'll check that out now, brother. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. No, that's definitely a swing. Any trade where you go to bed, that's a swing, bro.
But you see, when it after like I was asleep, I scored it to 1. And I saw it was away from me. And I entered up and I see it went once back to the program.
Okay, first one on that, Jesus. I'd definitely recommend that, you know, on top there it says where it has a symbol. I'll definitely recommend that you change from Oanda to Forex.com. That's the first thing there. And then your supply and demand zones, I don't know if it's my OCD or what it is, but just get them lined up. Just make it a bit more presentable for yourself. And then your 15, is this zone stemmed with a 15? What's your colors? Stemmed with a 15 or 30 or 4?
Oh, this is my 15.
Okay, so did you go straight to the 15?
No.
Oh, you did do the drop down, right?
4 hours. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. I think you can just add another zone in. You see where there's like a I don't know what the price is there, but you see where that market gap is. Yeah, just add in a zone there. Add in a zone there. So. But if you can, send me a screenshot of the 4 hour, 30 and daily as well.
Wait, what was the first thing that you said? Like what? You said something about
Yeah, so you see on top here, here where the provider is over here. So when you type in your XAU USD or your pound, yen or whatever, you get all these different providers. So I make sure all my charts with Forex.com. I just keep them to one.
Alright. Appreciate.
I got you. So that, first that, and then after that, daily 4 hour and 30 zones, and then just neaten up the areas. Just like make them line up.
Line up where? What zones?
Like these, like, look, you don't have to, but that's just me. I get mad OCD for this shit.
No, you're right.
Like, you can't have, like, I don't know, it just looks weird when things are like that, so I just try and organize it. Everything is. I don't know, it's just how I am, bro. It's,
No, it's all cool.
yeah. You know what I mean? Yeah, just add in the one. There's just one on that 15. That's just it. Let me just check the daily 4 hour and 30 hour comment. See, so that gap, I don't even think we have. Yeah, we don't even have that on Forex.com.
I don't know why.
So that's the thing with different prices. So your zones on this GJ should be like that, like that,
Oh yeah.
like that, and then 15 you can just go ahead and pull this one right to the top like that, because that's your highest point. And then this one you can leave like that. You see, if you have that one there, because you always ask yourself, where did price come from? So prior to that, right, price had the low, it had the high, then it broke out, tested once of the area. So there's still a probability that it could pull back down to that zone and then pop, you know, just because this is where that structural high was before it broke. So I would rather choose that area there, and then for price to get above and long, or pull back, look for type 2s and go long, or pull back, look for type 3s and go short. You with me? So these are the primary zones there. Yeah. That makes sense.
So my sounds looking good then?
Yes. Just neaten them up.
Yeah.
And then, like I said with that daily, sorry, just like with that, I said with that daily, just mark the highest point there, so that your zone that you have going through there, rather high. How can I say it? The zone that you have going through there, rather get it to that high, which means that as you will put in your zone on that 30-minute like that, okay, drop to that 15 and then just mod it to the highest point like that, okay. Just because in this case the zone isn't large enough to use it as a wick fill. It's only like 10 odd pips. You with me? It's not worth our time to try and wick fill that.
Like the zone is kind of too small.
Yes. So rather just have it at the highest point, and we'll rather trade buys above that. Okay. I've got you, my brother. What I'm actually looking at right now is a possible type 2 year, ladies and gentlemen, with price closing engulfing 2380. Price tapped liquidity, closure above or something like that. For the next candle to possibly pop down, grab liquidity and start flipping, and my setup will look something like that. Okay, that's what I'm looking at with the way this candle just pushed right now. Okay, makes sense, right? You see, this is the thing about trading. You need to be patient with the market. So if your setup hasn't arose yet, be patient. Wait for that setup to come and then take it. The more we wait, the more data we receive. The more data we receive, the more confluences we can build. The more confluences we can build, the higher the probability of our positions. Obviously I have to wait for closures. Can't do anything with it, because this could also be that liquidity zone there, that price are retesting and dropping. It's all about being patient, waiting for that setup, and then executing after. Because the more we wait, the more data I'm getting. My brother,
Morning.
how are you?
I'm good. Just worried because we don't stop. Anyway,
Is it that bad?
yeah, well, it's certain areas running and stuff.
Mhm.
Since I'm from serious, you know that is whatever's happening.
Oh, 80.
So
So you should be okay. You're a veteran in the game, huh?
yes, I can't tell. What's happening now? We have a house there.
Oh shoot.
And the one is there now currently. But there is someone, but the owners of now.
But it's obviously, hopefully it's insured, right?
Yeah. But I mean, it's another this, rain, this, but anyway,
I saw it like snowing and stuff there as well, eh?
look, most people is planning to go see it. Snow
the safety of the place. Yeah.
I have a question for the type 2 zones. If that kind of should close, so I think go for some like about that.
Yeah, so for that type 2, that candle would have needed to close like there. So that type 2 can't happen anymore, it's pushed too far. So now I'm actually wanting to see if we can't start to trade above there. And then I'm going to look to trade the wick fill on the left hand side, which is going to be about 36 odd pips. Yeah.
Trade above that area, what would that be in a type?
Type 3 because it's against that bearish structure on the 30. You with me? So that 30-minute currently is bearish. However, if I go ahead and close above that 30-minute high right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mimic the left hand side, which means that we have a range on the left hand side. So I'm going to try and trade it from range low to range high, range low to range high. That's what I'm trying to mimic on the left hand side. So that's going to be a type 3 for me because the structure is bearish at the moment. This overall structure is bearish. Go.
So if we close, another question, if we close above the resistance,
Yeah.
but that is seen as a type 2 also, we get from that resistance.
Yeah, so how we see it is we'll see it as like a type 3. We'll see it as type 3, but the style of the execution will be based off of type 4 because you're waiting for that closure above the retest in the drive. You with me?
Okay,
So that's how we'll see that.
Ooh.
Is the weather cold in South Africa? It seems like the most of South Africa is cold, brother. Seems like it. Manjuna. Love from India. Love from South Africa, my brother. Okay, got that London open in 30 seconds. Let's see how this price closes and then let's take it from this chat. Chad, are you on YouTube? It's very warm here in Sri Lanka, 28 degrees. Yo, it's not that warm actually. It's quite nice. That's nice. Are you playing cricket today? Do you guys have a match? Yes, that's perfect, Jesus. Perfect.
Thank you, man. I'll fix that Forex thing.
For sure.
Yeah.
Did you see the difference just lining up the zones?
Yeah, I did actually. I was like, dang, man, this shit cleaner.
Right? Nah, it looks fine though. Well done. And your okay, there's obviously base with the 30, but you do have the color difference between your 30 and the 4 hour, né?
No.
You should do that. Like with my 4 hour zones, they're gray, and then my 30-minute zones, they're blue. So obviously you have a different color scheme to me. So just maybe have a different color for your zone. So you know, okay, if it taps into a gray zone, I know it's a 4 hour level. There's gonna be more significance at that point. Blue zone, 30-minute, like that.
Okay.
Just so you
That was what I was doing. So for the 4 hour, like it's not all the way in the bottom, the biggest one. I always use the biggest one for like the 4 hour.
What do you mean the biggest one?
Like the bar itself. You know what I'm saying? Like, I make it longer. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how to explain it.
Make it longer, like horizontally or vertically?
Like I always make it like really like stand out. I don't know how to explain it. Not like in size or like
Oh, the outline of it.
yeah, kind of, yeah.
Okay. Look, if it works for you, it works for you. If like if you're able to see it a bit more. 100%. 100%.
Yeah. Like I don't know. It's just to me it looks.
100%.
So like it's like a 4 hour.
Okay. 100%. Nah, look, if it works for you, my brother.
Thank you.
That's all good. Vince the Prince, what is this? Vince has been milking USD, eh? Jordan 27 pips, screen, nice boy. Very nice Bevan as well. I like that. I like that. Clean shot. Vince US 30 buys. Very nice, sir. Well done. Well done. Sheesh. Well done. Very nice, guys. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Yeah, okay, perfect, Chad. If we end a bit earlier, we can have that meeting a bit earlier, brother. How your morning's looking. But as soon as you're done on stream, we can hop onto that private session, my man. Now I was playing in the Euros. You're playing Sri Lankan soccer, you say? What is the standing on the Euros at the moment? Look, I was very surprised with how Turkey played the weekend. I didn't know they played so well. England who in the final? Spain. Oh, babe. It's really nice when they're playing. When's the match? Saturday. Sunday. Sunday, okay. Okay, boys, we just gotta be patient, wait for our setup. At the moment, I'm looking for aggressive buys above here or aggressive shorts below there, one of the two. Wherever I get my confirmation, more data has been printed, which is good. Perfect. Yeah, straight off the stream. I'll just send you the link. Let's see what is going on with GJ. GJ's moving so much, I gotta put another quarter back. 210. So another confluence for these buys is going to be if this 4-hour flips. That should also provide us with more liquidity. That will be an hourly engulfing as well. Yeah, but I can't trade this one. I have to trade out of it. So for the buys right now, I'm looking for something like this, guys, where we get closure above that level. You have your bottom wick, and then the next candle, drop, flip, we long it. That's what I am looking for on the buys side of things. But we gotta wait. While we wait, boys, how are we doing on that? Those likes, man. Let's get those likes up. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. We do this every day. Today is the last day on stream for the week. We will be back on Monday because YouTube is Monday to Thursday with the private MFX group. We do it Monday to Friday. It's accountability tomorrow as well. I'm keen to see you guys' journals. Oh, you know what? It's Thursday today. I completely forgot. It's giveaway day today. I completely forgot. Put a W in the chat if you're ready for today's giveaway. I'm gonna give away a $5,000 Vault Finder challenge. $5,000. Put a W in the chat if you're ready for today's giveaway. And then all you're gonna have to do to enter the giveaway, just go comment on yesterday's video. Comment on yesterday's video, like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and we'll be doing a giveaway very shortly. While we wait, actually. MFX members, you guys can just pull up to YouTube and do that. So comment on yesterday's stream, okay? Like the stream of today, subscribe to the channel, and then just follow the MFX business page on Instagram, and then we're going to be doing that giveaway at random on stream today. Got CPI today as well, 2:30, and I'll be trading that with the MFX members. Sure. So you guys know what to do. Yesterday's video, go comment on it. So just to show you so nobody gets confused. Yesterday's video is going to be this one, boys. So yeah, the 9th of the 7th, just go there, comment on that video, and then I will take the YouTube comment selector from there. Yesterday was the 10th? Was it 10th yesterday? Oh, my bad. My bad. Hold on. Yeah, my bad. The 10th. Sorry, boys. So go here. 23 hours ago, the 10th. Just go comment on that video. Like today's stream. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Road to 1.5 subs. Let's push it. Let's push. Yeah, so go comment here. Comment. See what's happening here. Okay, so you got what? 5 people's entered so far. I'm gonna be doing that giveaway soon, boys. So I would highly recommend you go and comment before I do the giveaway. I'm gonna do the giveaway soon today because we're all just waiting for a position. By the looks of your break, below or above both images of your types. Yeah, I can't see what it says. Let me just, yeah, type 4, yeah? Yes, 100%, Bevan. MH Maruf, sell now. You go? Volume, where's that volume? Okay, I'm just gonna wait for you guys to go comment on that video and then we'll be doing a giveaway soon. Comment on yesterday's video. Any comment, you can even just go put a W or a 1 or a 3 or whatever you want to do. Just put any comment there. That will obviously then give you the entry. And then just like
Should make it a hashtag, bro.
anything you want to put there. Hashtag MFX, Millennial Forex, whatever you want to put there. Satom Daso. And then we'll be using YouTube random comment picker. As usual, I'll put the link in here and it will generate the winner by itself. So that way you can see I'm not choosing a person. As simple as that. So once again, go to yesterday's video. Go to the comments. Comment anything you want to. And then like today's stream, subscribe to the channel, and then boom, you're in for the giveaway. It's gonna be a $5,000 Vault Finder challenge, and that will be issued to you today. Hi, how are you doing? I'm good, my brother. Hope you're doing good too. Thanks, Uncle Mike. 1 hour time. You go. Remember, it's not commenting on this stream, it's commenting on yesterday's stream, guys. Unless you just want to drop W's, you can drop W's. On this stream though, let's get the likes up, boys. Let's push for 30 likes today. As we await gold Okay, so let's see how this 30 closes now. It's either gonna sit in range or eventually start to close out. Once it starts to close out, then I can take positions. Let's see, has everybody gone and commented? Checked in the chats. Vince events. But we are downing, sir. Okay, let's check how we are on the comments. I think I'm gonna do that giveaway like now. Let's wait till 9:30, because then I can see if we have closure and see if there's a position for us. And then we'll do the giveaway straight after that closure, depending obviously if we're in the trade or not, right? So once again, go comment on yesterday's video, and that will then throw you into the giveaway. Let's see. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Do we ever enjoy the 5 minutes?
Yeah.
For stream.
Were you in, not yesterday's stream, but the Monday, Tuesday? Were you in on those streams? Perfect example of how we use the entire overall analysis, and then how I executed on that 5 minute was, I feel like it was such a big nugget in both of those streams. Definitely go watch the entry criteria for that streams when you can. It's gonna help a lot. So it's not my primary target to enter on the 5 minute, but I use it as a confluence to enter slightly earlier, depending on market situation at that point, if that's the right word to be using. 100%, my brother. And that's just like, as time goes on, your edge is just gonna arise more, your confidence is going to be more, your experience will be more, so you'll be able to depict the markets a lot more easy, you know what I mean? Okay, wait, I think I'm going to do that giveaway. Put a 1 in the chat if you're ready for this giveaway. I think I'm going to do it now. Let's get straight into it. Let's not waste time. Put a 1 in the chat if you're ready to get that giveaway and you've commented on yesterday's video. It's as simple as that, boys. Comment on yesterday's video, like the stream for a free 5k challenge, dog. You guys are playing, man. if you didn't comment, artist, man. La 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 la. Okay, let's do it. Vince. Okay. Okay, right. So here's yesterday's video, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see over here, this is yesterday's video on the 10th. Okay, just so that you can see that. Yeah. This is yesterday's video. I'll even refresh it. Huh? Here's yesterday's video. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that link, copy. Here's your guys' comments that we've asked for. There's the comments right there. Okay. These are the entrants. We're gonna be doing the giveaway based off of this. So it's gonna be $5,000 Vault Finder giveaway. Here's the entrance here. I'm gonna refresh it one more time. Take that link, copy. These are the guys right here that's entered. 21 Oaks. Someone says no more stop loss. Fuck. Right. Okay, you guys ready? Let's get that YouTube comment picker. Be the first one, as you always do. So the winner of this, all you're gonna do is just have to be liked the stream, comment, obviously comment because I would have got the comments there. Subscribe to the channel and then follow the Millennial FX business page. If you don't follow the Millennial FX business page, unfortunately, even if you've won, you won't be a winner. Then we'll have to redo it. So just gonna make sure you follow the business page on Instagram. It's literally in the description. Follow that. And then yeah. But I think we're ready, boys. I'm gonna go ahead and let's see, nothing happening. Got 5 minutes. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and do this giveaway right now. Popping that link in there. Yes, 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 yes. Duration 20 seconds. Yes. Sum 4 plus 4 equals 8 because we're not a robot. Get the YouTube comments. There's 20 entrants here. Obviously, someone double entered. Are you guys ready? Drop a 1 in the chat if you're ready for this giveaway. That account will be issued to you today. 5k Vault Finder challenge. Drop those ones. Let's see how we're looking. Alright. Let's see, where's Charles today? Oh, you know what? I think his power is giving shit again. Okay, boys, let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Let's see who today's winner of the $5,000 challenge is. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Who's gonna be that winner? Wayne George HB for me. Okay. So let's quickly do the check. Wayne, are you? Oh, what, Wayne? Wayne, are you in the chat? Wayne George is in the chat. Let's see if Wayne George follows me on IG. Wayne doesn't follow me on IG, guys. Wayne, what's your IG name right now? Let's see. And you can't follow me now, it's too late. You had to have done it beforehand. Wayne George, do you follow me on IG, broski? I don't see you here, broski. Send me a message, let me see. I don't see you on my IG. My brother, I don't see you on my IG, bro. Unfortunately, there's no way. I'm gonna have to do it again, boys. Unfortunately, Wayne, like you don't. You don't follow me, bro. This was the criteria. Need to like the stream, subscribe to the channel, comment on the video. You did that, but we don't see you on the IG, bro. Even on the flagged one as well. Come on, Wayne. Wait, what's your name? What's your name? Is your name Wayne? I just want to see if this might be you. Send me a message so I know it's real. Sorry, YouTube, we have a little bit of a situation here. Okay, we're gonna have to re-roll. Follow my business page, yeah. Your name's not here, my broski. What's your name? What's your full name? You see, like, you followed me like now, bro. It's a bit late, dog. It's unfortunately a bit late. You only followed me now, bro. I only got that follow now, dog. Gonna have to reroll, boys. Wayne, apologies, brother. But it is a bit late, man. Gonna have to redo it. Okay, gonna have to redo this, boys. Wayno the Maino. Unfortunately, man. Can you please tell me more about your course? I'll do that just now. 9 plus 8? 17? Could be wrong. $20. Okay, let's reroll. Yeah. Please just go read Jesus' comment. That's a belief. Who told? See what Darren told you. Okay, boys, I'm gonna reroll here. Let's see who's the winner. We had to do a reroll. Once again, boys, if you didn't meet the criteria before and you can't follow me when I say when you've won, it's a bit late. Like you had to have been a follower. You had to have been a follower. You had to have liked the stream, commented on the previous video, and you win. Jabba Zhao, who's this? Let's see, does Jabba Zhao follow me? Oh yes, Jabba Zhao follows the business page. Jabba Zhao, Well done. um, you can just send me a DM on Instagram and then send me your email address, and then I will drop you your message, my good sir. Well done. Congratulations, Mr. Jabba Zhao, on your win today, sir. $5,000 Vault Finder challenge. Issue that to me now so I can issue you the account ASAP. Right. GG's, boys. Yeah, and then can you please tell me more about your course? So the course is everything you need A to Z, bro. Literally everything you need A to Z. So it starts off with my entire course pre-recorded. So the way I trade, pre-recorded. Okay, you can watch it on your own time. Yeah, let's get W's in the chat for Jabazao. Well done.
You just post something quickly.
What? Pour me a glass of Coke as well, if that's what we're doing. So it's the entire course, A to Z, the way I trade, pre-recorded for you. With that also comes my one-on-one mentorship, so I guide you through the way I trade. With that comes my live trading, every day, Monday to Friday. With that comes access to the community group, all that stuff. Friday accountability calls, literally everything you need from A to Z, bro, is within my course. So I see it more as like, it's a course, yes, but it's more so a learn and earn. Because as you level up, as I guide you through the mentorship, you're able to live trade with me as well. Okay. Jason, just WhatsApp me your email address. I think I have it though. Where's this thing now? Alright, my brothers. Nothing really going on. Jason, that account should be issued soon, actually. Trying to speed it up for you, man. Jason. Amal. Amal, you can't be upset because someone else won, bro. Just be happy for everybody. The gold buy is coming. Let's see, let's see, let's see. He said to, isn't, I think we met you in Cape Town, eh? If I'm not mistaken, I think that's the same name. Was me and I think you met you, Jordan and I in Cape Town. Where is Jordan today? Probably knocked out. Okay, this is officially going to be a no trade area for me. This area right now. Guys, I'll be back in a jiffy. Seems like we're just ranging in between these two zones. I think if I don't get it set up like by 10, 10, I'm gonna call it. There's a high probability we could range until CPI. Big news today, big news tomorrow. Higher probability that you could see prices barcode until then. So we're clearly reacting off of these two levels here. And even if we do take these early shorts, it's also not to say that we're going to continue those shorts. So I'm definitely going to be using QP as a target if that is the case, where price starts to close beneath and we trade it down. But at the moment we are literally just ranging, so either or for me, man.
street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flight miles. So high, I might never come down, so what, this is my lifestyle. Look.
I think while we wait, I'm gonna do Cardle, Wordle, and then by that time it's gonna be like around 10. We see this position to be taken. If not, I'm gonna call it. Go. I just have this feeling that we're gonna sit until CPR. What car is this? McLaren F1. I think so. I think this is a McLaren F1. Steering wheel in the center of the car. Yes, must be a McLaren F1. Yep. Okay. These cars are still so what can I say? What's what I don't use? So much look over. It was actually flipping insane cars. GG's, that was pretty quick. Now let's play Flaggle actually, seeing that we're busy with Euros at the moment. I think I've seen a lot more flags than I would have in my lifetime. Yes, very valuable as well. That was the first car that Elon Musk bought when he like really made mad money. McLaren F1. Which country are you from? Give me your country and I'm gonna chuck it in here and see if we can start with that country for Flaggle. Got 15 closure in the next minute now as well.
Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east.
Okay, nothing yet. Gonna have to wait for that hourly closure. Can I change this song? Yeah, let's do this one. Okay, boys, I'm gonna wait for that hourly close. Gotta wait for it. W's in the chat. What's up, Keys? Okay, let's do that. Let's do that first. Wordle. What did Mark say? Kitty party. I'm gonna have to wait for this hourly close on this, just so you guys know what I'm waiting for. Just barcoding. And literally, if I don't get a trade by the next 15, I'm gonna call it, eh? But you know what? 4 short keys. I have a feeling that this flag is half white, half something else. What country could this be? I think the bottom half might be white and the top half might be something else. What could it be? Possibly Vince, yeah, I think so. I mean, we could literally range until CPI for sure. France, let's try France. Okay, so we know that white is going in the middle. Let's try Italy. Let's try Italy. Ireland. I think let's do a guess where we can try to guess something horizontal, because there's gonna be so many countries with the center being white. Could literally be anything. What do you guys think it is? What do you think it is? Got two more guesses. Any takers? Any takers? Mexico? I was thinking of Mexico, but Mexico would have then left us with like a gap in the center. So I don't think it's Mexico. I really don't think it's Mexico. Well, it can't be Mexico because it has. This flag is gonna have something solid in the middle. Hold on. It's gonna have like a solid section in the middle. What could it be? I don't know. Did we do Ireland already? We did, eh? Nigeria? What about Nigeria? Okay, can't have red on the side, can't have orange, can't have green, can't have blue. What the heck country would that be? I don't know. I don't know. White in the center, can't have red, can't have blue. Unless I'm like reading this completely wrong. Greece? Could we have a lighter blue, eh? Can't be. Can't be. Can't be Greece. Belgium? Belgium? No. But I'm gonna do it because I want to see if there's red on black on the side. Can't be Italy. It's not Belgium. What the fuck flag is this? I don't know, because the thing is... How does a Canadian flag look? I don't think it's Canada. The thing is, why I don't want to guess that is because if it was that, it would have had that maple leaf cut out in the white. That's how... Sure. But the way it looks to me, there's an orange speck there. So the left hand side could be orange. You know what I mean? Can you see that orange little speck there? That could be orange on the left. What flag is orange on the left? Oh yes, Jesus. You see what I'm saying? For sure. So I think the left is orange and the something is something. The right is something. There's our last try, bro. We have to get this. What country has orange on the left and white in the center? I don't know. What about Ivory Coast? What is that? Yeah, isn't this? Côte d'Ivoire. Put a 1 in the chat if you think I should use this as the last guess. I think it's this thing. Could be wrong. Could be very wrong. Why I'm saying so is because there's white in the center. Look at the flag. There's white in the center and orange on the left. There's an orange little speck there that we got from Kiribati. So I think I'm gonna go with this. Let's see. Yes. TP or stop loss here, boys. Let's see. TP. Okay. Dope. I think we're getting the hang of the game. Very nice, boys. Very nice. Technical closure coming up in 8 minutes. Let's see what's happening. 100%. Wanna do a wordle? I'm struggle with that wordle. While we wait, I think I'm gonna do a wordle, boys. Just while we wait. As you can see, it's just a little bit of a barcode day. Let's do wordle. Let's do a quick wordle. Word of the day. Trade. Want a hint? Go to today's Wordle review article if you're stuck on this puzzle. We can do that now? Okay, wait. Let's click on that when we're really stuck. TRADE. Trade. Has letter E and A in it, so it has the vowels. That's why I like to start with this word. What could it be? No T, no R, no D. Let's see. What could the argue? Let's no, it can't be argue. I want to try though to like get letters out. What could that word be, boys? Steak, seals. I'm gonna go with seals because there's no T. Let's do it. It's not gonna be seals, but let's just do it so we can get letters. No. Steak. No. Apple. So it can't be apple because there's no L and there's no E. Bread. Can't be bread because there's no R, but I'm gonna do it because I want to get words out. That's why did I? Okay. Where's these letters? I think the word might actually start with the AOE. I think it might actually start with AOE. Eagle. Can't be eagle. I would have liked to have at least found one letter in the right place because we can start working from that. We know there's an E and an A in here. There's no T, R, S, D, B, L. Free. Home. 05. No. Wagon. Oh shit, there's no okay, so now I know there's an A in the right place with the E and an O in. Interesting. So the A is in the right place, there's an E and an O in there as well. What 5-letter word has 3 vowels in? You know what? There's two left. I'm gonna pull that hint. Let's see how they do with hints. Scroll down to reveal letters from today's word or head to comments. No. Scroll down. I don't want the word, man. I just want hints. Give me a consonant. C. Give me a vowel. E. We have the vowel. So it involves C-E-O-A. C-E-O-A. What the fuck is that? It involves C, A, E, and O. Wait, I need to write this down. My copy is swaying. Cameo. I think that's the one. I'm gonna do that one. I think this is the one, my dude. Brett Flow. I think you're the winner, my G. Yes, you are. Well done. Type in the chat for Brett. I don't think I would have gotten that, no lies. Cameo. Okay. Right, that's 10 o'clock. There is nothing going on, as we can see over here. Let me just have a look, see if this current 30 decides to press a bit. But honestly, it looks like I'm going to be just doing CPI today with the MFX members. If you want to trade CPI alongside myself and my boys, just join the mentorship group. Boys and girls, sorry. See, if price does start trading below, this will be nice, because if you have something like if you have something like this, you have a nice nearby resistance for support to target that QP. But yeah, I just think we're in a range until CPI. What's that? You don't know what a cameo is? Let me give you the Google description. Cameo. Ta-da! That's a cameo. Where's this thing now? I think I'm gonna throw another other playlist for next week. I still do think the flip of that 4 hour would definitely put potentially drive us to the upside. We just need that volume. There's just nothing happening this morning. Let's see, can we break these highs? Are you ready for us, gold? Where's this? If I have to take buys that support level needs to start forming higher up. Okay, that can also be fine. But you'd obviously prefer it to be higher up. And another giveaway will be like this 30 if we can start engulfing their previous as well and then start closing above the level. I think that will also be another confluence that I can add in. Current 50, no bottom wick, but that is fine. Look, for me personally, we're going to start rejecting it, then obviously, boys, then it's just ranging. Then I'm just going to call it a session here. But let's see how she looks. And I can only do it type 4. I mean type 3 with the type 4 style execution. I need that confirmation above. Unless you start forming like a 5-minute support that's higher up, I can't just, jump on if it breaks the highs. What's the time now? 2 minutes till 5 closure. 15 tapping into liquidity. 30 tapping to liquidity. Let's see. Might get a move here, boys. Let's see. It'll be very nice to get a move this morning. How's it, Charles? How are you? Power again, eh? Must be power. Might get a move here, boys. You are pushing quite nicely. You might get something here. Oh, pushing quite nicely, but I need those closures, man. I need price to close above. I actually need the 5 minutes to stall there, but Jason, good morning, my man. If we can get price to actually stall here, but that'll be awesome. Bro, power still out driving me crazy. Jeez, that's hectic. Okay, breaking those highs now. It's just not a setup that I can execute on, boys. Unfortunately, I have to wait for confirmation. So if this thing just rips right now, I can't take it. Number one, it's against my structure. Number two, there's no confirmations yet. So for those two reasons, I can't just jump in. Because we could be tapping, grabbing liquidity for price to come back in the zone. You're with me. Have to wait for this confirmation at this point. Where you from? I'm from South Africa, man. So I'm gonna have to wait here, boys. Just because we could do something like this, where we would have executed now and we would have been in the shit because we're not waiting for confirmation. What confirmations are you looking for at the moment? I'm waiting for closures above this level here, bro. Once I get closures above the levels, I can then take position. It would have been a different story if there was a nearby 5 minute support, but there's not. The nearest support is down there. So I'm not going to put myself in a position where price does this and then does that. Because I'm... What's the English word for astag? What's the English word? In a rush? In a rush? Because I'm too in a rush and I'm not waiting for confluence and all that jazz, I need to wait for price to close above. Once price closes above, I can take the trade. Remember, there's two resistances and supports. There's the structure and there's the candlesticks. Don't ever forget that. So you might be breaking structure, however, you can find something where this candlestick resistance, which it is, can act as resistance. You can find where the bodies act as resistance. So that's why you'll see me, I pay a lot of attention to not only the structure of the overall trend, but also the specific candles that I'm dealing with. So like this for now, if this can close above, so if this current candle closes somewhat like this, right, then the next one taps in, grabs liquidity, and then flips, I'll take it aggressively. But as it is right now, I can't do anything. And if it runs, it runs. There's nothing I can do about it. But from this point onwards, you are looking to target that previous daily high. That 4 hour also just rebroke its high right now. That's another confluence you'll add on. Hourly now also trading from low to high. So this is the thing, I want the position, but I need that confirmation. I can't take it without the confirmation. We've run through what I want since the beginning of the stream, so everybody should know what I want by now. Got 2 minutes. If the candle can close like that and it pulls down to grab liquidity and starts flipping and driving, I'll then grab it. And even that's still aggressive because I'm taking on the 15, not the 30. Because maybe because you're not trading the MFX way, Jason. Maybe that's why. We have our strategies set up so that we avoid stuff like that. Obviously, it's gonna happen to everybody every now and again, but the probability of that happening is only 14%. Bevan, what's up? Yibu.
Okay, so let's look at what candles on the 5 minute candle. Go to
Preferably the 15, but at the same time, your 5-minute is going to provide you with that support that you need to flip. The resistance that you need to break. So that is fine, but preferably on the 15 in this case, because it's such a dominant zone. Okay, this is that setup, boys. I'm not going to take it on the flip. I do not want to be too aggressive because I don't want this body to act as a resistance. I'm rather going to take it above the highs, 2 pips. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to place buy stops, 23.8446.
Look, we tastemakers, groundbreakers, we crown shakers, moved us out
23.8446. Go. So obviously we could have taken it on the flip now, but that's not something I want to be pulled into, because on the left hand side that candlesticks can act as a resistance. Go. So the only time I want to be taking the trade is if it gets to this point here, 23.8446. That is 2.5 pips above the high, and then my stop is going to be 30 pips for now. Good. And the trade will pretty much become invalid if I start just seeping down. But for now, I've got pending buy stops.
I've been counting my blessings, but still stuck in my thoughts. Here I go, stuck in my head again. Daily, I've been looking for some peace. What would you recommend?
Did I not say that?
Couple drinks, go to sleep, then reset again. That's everything I'm better than, but everything I'm used to. Sticking to the basics got me looking for a new glue, looking for a new crew.
So I'd buy stops there, surely you guys don't know that.
Sacrifice my self-respect. I don't know all the steps that I'm taking, still walking through it. Hope I find a shawty that really listens and talk me through it. Oftentimes we end up smashing and loving lust. They asking for my heart, don't give it, it's hard to trust. Consider that a plus, and mine is the complications. Feel like everyone's the same, internet and mutations. For all the weak,
23.8446, yeah.
just messing with my patience. The world been moving crazy all around me. I was hiding in my feelings, then you found me. I'm just too aware of my surroundings. Looking at the blessings I've been counting. The world been moving crazy all around me. I was hiding in my feelings, then you found me. I'm just too aware of my surroundings. I've been looking at the blessings I've been counting.
So this is exactly number 1 why I didn't just buy, and number 2 why I didn't take the flip yet. Look, now it's a different story. Now if it flips, it should drive, because it's already formed that high. So the re-break of the high would give you the idea that we're starting to gauge upon that bullish momentum after breaking that 5-minute low, which is a grab of liquidity for me, tapping to the liquidity zone on the left hand side. So the break of that highs would definitely continue bullish. Especially now, if this thing flips bullish, it should drive up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring that buy stops tighter and take this flip now, because I have that top wick. 23.8368. Okay, and then once I'm in, my stop is just going to be beneath that candle's low. Okay, So for now it's 30, but let's see. So I'm just bringing my buy stops tighter here, boys. 23, 83, 34. Sorry, 23, 83, 68. So this is where I would now do the flip. Do you see the difference? How I would do the flip now compared to earlier on. You see that? So this is where my buy stops is right now. 23, 83, 68. So if it flips now, I'm going to look for longs, right? And then obviously if it goes down, boys, I'm just not going to take the trade. Then I'm actually going to call it this session.
Thinking they could hit my line and I'ma help them on their feet. Now I had a few I looked up to, they showing different shades. They might have blocked a couple rays, but now they watching my beam down. I struggle to open doors to places that come to life if I step inside. I learned to cut the keys down. Got it locked, this demon stirring a pot with pretty faces and plots to try to knock me off my feet now. No new friends, I had so many hit my line for the freebie, but if you see me out, you gotta pay the fee now. All these things you never cared to see me for is what I let the world see. Now I'm staring in the mirror at the only one I trust. Been down on my luck, so when you see me now I'm up. I fresh up out that mud, I'm a diamond in the rough. So when you see me shining now, know it's anything but luck. I'm looking in the mirror at the only one I with. I've been held me down, so when you see me now I'm up. I fresh up out that mud, I'm a diamond in the rough. So when you see me shining now, know it's anything but luck. It's anything but luck now.
So let's see how the city closes. Let's see if we get that flip. And obviously if it closes beneath this level, I'll remove my buy stops. And that'll be that.
Look, I'm a rock star in real life. We was doing Grand Theft Autos, hitting lakes, home invasions. It was a good night. Take the goods to the plug, then he bring us back by 2K. Feeling like a baller, see the Jordan on my shoelace. Nuketown, stepping off.
Guys in the MFX, you guys good?
Call of Duty, me and my we in the trenches, camping at the crib, playing true crime. LA, Santa Dre's nice, bumping Ice Cubes, good days. Such a 90s baby though. If we grind it, then we grind it. Man, I feel like Tony Hawk. And my homies got the iron, man, they feel like Tony Stark. And you better watch your back, cause it get wicked up the dog. Feeling like Kobe back in his prime. If we talking about the numbers, then I probably go LeBron. I'm a lion out the jungle, at the top I'm like the Dons. This my life, it ain't a movie, I won't be at Comic-Con. Look, big popping, grinding like ain't no option. Throwing that sister all my homies. Got feel like John Stockton. Every week I stay dropping. Got y'all stay consistent in. Hurt the blind, lead the blind, but I got the vision in. Know the streets the vision in. Needed my assistant ends. Real since my existing ends. Came a long distance.
My stop loss low. I'm gonna base this stop loss off of this current open candle, because if this candle, say for example now, what this candle did was it came down first, right? Then it came up a little bit, and now it's dropping again. If this candle's gonna reflip its high, I would want to be in the trade if it re-breaks those lows. So that's why my stop will be like 27 odd pips. You with me? So I'm basing the stop loss a lot of the fact that you wouldn't want to re-break those lows once you're turned bullish. We've got about 7 minutes left. Let's see if it can flip and continue up. Got about 6 minutes left to see how this 30 closes. In the meantime, boys, let's run up those likes. Hit that subscribe button if you're here for the first time. But I just, obviously we don't trade feeling, we trade what we see, but I just feel like we're gonna bark it until CPI. I mean, CPI is what, like 3.5 hours away? Something like that. 4.5 hours away. We might just see prices sit in this range until then. MFX members, we know what you're doing for CPI today. I'll just pop it again in Telegram. Okay, so we do have this area on the left hand side. Let's see if it rejects that area over there. It's just also the more it's pushing, the more I kind of don't really want to risk more than that. 30 pips is about as much as I would want to risk on here. Okay guys, you know what? I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna remove this order. I'm gonna call it a session. I'm gonna come back for CPI and trade with that with the MFX members. If you want to trade CPI with me, just join the MFX course, the group. And then you'll be able to trade that with me. Mr. Mentor, good morning, bro. How are you doing, Mr. Lancey? Okay, YouTube, I'm gonna call it a session. There's nothing on. We let you back in that range. I'm just gonna wait for CPI. I'm gonna trade CPI with the MFX team, MFX members, MFX team. So join the mentorship group if you want to be part of that. We trade NFP and CPI and news releases as well, but we do that privately with the MFX guys. YouTube, thanks for playing up today. No trade again today, but there's just nothing happening. You can literally see it just barcoding. Okay. So on YouTube for the week so far, I think we've done. I called 2 trades this week on YouTube, and that was 53 pips, 2 wins, Monday, Tuesday, totaling 53 pips for the week. As you know, the only trades I take is on YouTube, well, is on live stream anyway, either with you guys or my team. But yeah, so we took 2 trades this week, 53 pips in total. Very happy with that. I'll be trading CPI this afternoon with the MFX guys, and then also normal trading tomorrow. But as you know, tomorrow, Fridays, is just for the MFX members. So if you want to be part of that as well, just join the membership group. Guys on YouTube, I'm gonna love and leave you. Have a lovely day and a blessed weekend. I'll see you guys on Monday. Cheers. I'm out. Yes, sir. Discipline and patience is very important. Very, very important. Cheers, boys. If anybody's on YouTube of the MFX guys, just pull up to Zoom quickly. I just want to mention one thing. Just pull up to Zoom.
Know that I got you forever. Love her, she got it together. Switching it up when she wants.